Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert calendar in Google Sheets. To insert a calendar in Google Sheets, you can use the Google Sheets calendar feature. Okay, first step is open the Google Sheet where you want to insert the calendar. I have my shortcut here. Click on the cell where you want the calendar to appear. After that, go to the top menu and select Date. Go on Date Validation, and at the right you will see Date Validation Rules. Under that, click on Add Rule, and under Criteria you have to choose Date Is. After that, click Done at bottom right corner, and when you double click on the cell, the calendar will appear automatically. That is how to insert a calendar in your Google Sheet. If this video helped you out, give me a like, also subscribe if you're new. If you have any questions around the video, comment down below, and I want to see you in next video. Bye!